Hello, clearly the child's not going to introduce. Today we've decided to follow inspiration from Mr. Roald Dahl himself with the BFG, and we are going to create your own dream jar. So let's get into it.
Is it where you dream in it?
I don't know, I've not opened it.
Maybe all the dreams will fly into it.
Maybe. Oh, that's better, my head's not chopped off. Right, let's get into it. 3, 2, 1. Do you want me to do it for you? Oh, there we go, we're in. Right, so in our glass jar we have glass jar, fairy lights, star illumination sheet, PVA glue, paintbrushes, glitter covers, and a printed jar label space to write your dream inside if you want to.
What do you have to do?
You have to decorate it.
Where? On the lid? Can you do it on the lid too?
You're supposed to decorate the inside.
Inside?
Yeah, inside.
What,
so here come your lights.
Pretend your dreams are in there.
Yes, and pretend your dreams are in there.
What we've got.
When the purple glitter is dry, then do the same with the blue glitter that's not filled in by the purple glitter and leave to dry.
I must pretend my dreams are in here.
Yes, it'll catch your dreams.
Will it pretend or real life? Pretend.
Probably pretend.
Hold. Holy.
It's about half. And which one am I using first? The purple.
Yep, you're using the purple. Yellow's in the purple. Now do we pour it in? Or
No, now you mix it with your paintbrush.
The beautiful glitter.
So that is the purple glitter already in there. And now she's going to decorate her jar. So the idea is,
You get a little bit and then you dab inside.
And you dab it wherever you want inside. And then the layers where you don't have the purple glitter, we'll put the blue glitter. Now in the jar. Double put down a little way.
That was plenty.
And then hopefully you can remember what your dreams are and tell me what your dreams are in the morning.
I'm trying not to get my... Is it
Not
fine
down
if
there, up here.
Is it fine if my hands are going to get sticky?
Fine. I'm going to make a big cloud, don't you? There we go. There we go. And we'll rotate it a bit.
I can't see the glitter. I can't see it.
And you are blind.
Can I see the sparkles? Are they all good? Are they going to be my dream?
Yeah, they're going to capture your dreams.
How will it fly in with the lid closed?
By magic.
Now you do the glue out of the glitter.
Okay. What are we doing?
We're doing the blue part now.
Okay, doing the blue part now.
So we put glue and then we put glitter in. And then we have to dab it where all the gaps are, but we have to get a new brush. Can you help me open the lid?
Oh, I put that one on tighter, didn't I?
Yeah. That's beautiful glitter.
Right, now you're going to mix it all up.
Need that though.
Go and mix that first though.
Look at that beautiful. Look at that beautiful blue. Oh.
Gotta mix it. Mix, mix, mix.
Mix it, mix, perfect. Mix, perfect. Oh. Down.
Oh, it fell to pieces. Oops. Maybe we should be a little bit more gentler.
Oh, I was just doing that.
Alright, do you want to start getting it painted into here?
How can it break?
Because it's very poor manufacturing. Right, so see, we want to get a whole load of blue down here. A little bit of blue there, a little bit of blue there, and blue down there.
Blue.
And blue all the way there. Go on, dab it in.
Dab, 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 dab.
Get it down a bit as well.
Dab, 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 dab.
Remember, you're moving the glitter with your brush.
Not with your hands
No.
or anything else. There's plenty. Mix,
And then this can go in your bedroom.
mix. Maybe tonight, if I have any dreams of flying,
Exactly.
I'll be excited if they do.
So will I. Excited to hear about them. Right, come on, let's get it in.
Mum, I want to write a label. So I'm gonna dream about Mum and Dad. And
But your
me.
dreams will change every night, so let's not write a label. Let's just leave it there to capture your dreams.
Okay, well, what if they're full?
Then you'll have to open them to let your dreams out.
Then where will they go?
They'll go into the stars. Come on then.
Well, and then Granddad can see
Yeah,
it
then Granddad will see them.
after me. What if I don't remember them?
Granddad will though.
Because he'll always see them.
Mm.
There's plenty.
Come, let me help you. So the jar is painted.
Is it all sticky?
Yep.
No.
The batteries are charged, so it's up to Katherine. So there we go, put that in.
And then what do we?
Put it in. Flick the little switch.
They look like our dreams.
There we go. How is that for a project, sweetheart? I don't think they understand what that means.
That is cool.
Is that cool? Do we have a spot in our bedroom for it?
Yeah.
Where are we going to put it?
How do I carry it? It's like that. And it's